Hello from Playa de la Garrofera, this public beach located around 13 kilometers away from central Valencia. And it is 6 p.m. on this wonderful 2nd of October. 28 degrees right now. And I'm exploring the coast of Valencia with the different beaches. And I have few left. As we can see, the city of Valencia is approaching closer and closer. Yes, I'm out for a weekend trip, long weekend trip in Valencia, and this is day 3 of my exploration. I have visited few beaches on my day 1 and 2, only 3, because I was also doing lots of sightseeing. But today I'm doing lots of beaches, and this is, I don't know, maybe 10 plus beach I visit today. And I have visited also 4 nudist beaches already, and there is 2 more left, I think. So I better speed up as the sun will be setting down in around 1.5 hours. So let's enjoy as much as we can. Here you can see the beach, Playa de la Garrofera. And I must admit, the water is getting more dirtier and dirty as we approach the port of Valencia. Here it seems it is not so clean as my first beach I visited in the morning, El Perello. But I think we will survive anyway, because this is Beach Adventures with Kris, and I'm showing you different beach locations in Valencia right now, but also when I'm traveling to other countries and cities around the world. Yes, actually I'm doing also beach adventures every single day in Sweden, and currently there it is around 10 degrees Celsius, so it's gonna be challenging for me to swim there after this warm Mediterranean Sea over here. And alright, then let's take a swim. So here there is also a mixture of sand and stones in the water, but not so much, it's still mostly sandy. And yes, I have an early morning flight tomorrow at 6 a.m. So there won't be much sleeping actually tonight. So I will try to enjoy as much as possible on the beach before heading to the airport, and taking a short sleep before that, of course. But yes, enjoy a bit from this beauty. And there is also a few jellyfish on the coast, actually. And you see there is Valencia over there, not so far away. I mean the central part of Valencia. And the sun that will be setting down in 1.5 hours, as I mentioned. Alright, that's a wrap then from Playa de la Garrofeta, if I pronounced it correctly right now, I don't know. But thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel. Beach Adventures with Kris!